Does your child want to learn how to play the drums, but you just can't find the time to go to the lessons? Now, what if I told you that I have a solution? I created an online course called Jamtooners Essentials, which is a fun and easy way for children to learn how to play the drums from home. No more running around after work trying to juggle your busy schedule and family life. Meet your instructors, Boomer, Popper, Tapper, Tom Tom, and Crasher as they guide you through 16 lessons of drum beats and hand exercises. All of this is done by using words, phrases, syllables, and visuals. And the best part, kids can work at their own pace. Hi, I'm John Zade, and I'm a career drummer with over 30 years experience performing both on stage and in the recording studio. Right now, we're offering the Jamtooners Essentials course for a one-time payment of just $47, or 4 interest-free payments of $11.75. So go ahead and click on the link in this video, or go to jamtooners.com to enroll in the Jamtooners Essentials course and find out why parents and kids love Jamtooners.